getting a little... Alright, I want to try to sneak out here and get a couple of things done. Let's see how we can do it. You can see I got some electronics in here, but we're going to be working on the radio today. So I'm going to set this aside for now. And what we want to do is I'm going to take my DX3R radio. I'm going to clean the foam off of this a little bit here. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to cut out a spot for that to go so I can put that on it and have it close. So let's get to work. I probably don't need to do this, but I'm going to trace. Yeah, it's going to be all of them. And let's see here. Let's just mark it so I have an idea. That was stupid. Hey, I never claimed to be smart, did I? Well, maybe I did. Where's that would just come out? I think this was about the thinnest battery I could find, but it does say compact, and it is a, I don't have my glasses on. Let's go. Right there, it's 2 cell, 6.6 life. Yep. This might be a big mistake doing this. I got a saw blade, but then what do I do with this? Instead of popping out the Dremel, I think I'm just gonna try this first. And oops, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work very good. Okay, so I was able to cut through here, use the saw on my Dremel. It was messy. And then I've got an extra little piece of foam. I believe it came with my Cow RC mat. With the Cow RC mat on some of the cutouts, so I just stuck that down in there. There's plenty of room down in here now, but this will just, that's just kind of captured down in there. Little wire management, little tuck the wires in, plug it in, and the top should fit right on. Got a little rattle to it. I don't know what that is. Oh, I still need to clean this off. But let's do a power check. Radio check. There we go. We're still working. I was for sure I was going to get some stuff down in there. So anyway, there's that. All right, here it is, pretty much all done. Let's see how well it works. This is the wheel foam off of an older Traxxas radio. The newer ones, like these, it's a little bit denser foam. This must be off an older radio, older Traxxas. It was in Traxxas packaging. So anyway, we'll give it a shot for now. It's a little close there, but I don't know if you really should cut the foam. The newer one is thinner, so who knows what I'll end up doing. This was $5, but I mean, at some point a waste of $5 is a waste of $5. So power this up. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bind this. Yeah, there we go. These are really simple to bind. I'm going to bind this to this. Oops. And get on with our day. Jack her up a little bit. Okay. So we have that in there, that in there. I need to zero my servo so I can put the servo horn on and button that up. So here's that. This is, so everything's in there. Binding plugs in here, or it should be. There it is. Put the binding plug in the top port. This receiver is really cheap. It's not labeled. So there's that. I'll get this all put in the, here's the receiver box here. Ooh, I should have done that. I should do that. So I forgot this was a waterproof receiver. But we'll do that. Let's just get this binded up. Anti-spark XT90s. All right, let's watch this thing take off. And then we're just gonna go to bind, hit the button, and it's blinking yellow. There it goes. I don't know if you heard that. Now it's orange. So with a little luck, yep, there's that. And so we'll go. It works. Doesn't sound too bad either. The motor might be hooked up backwards. I think my motor's going backwards, so that's brakes. There you go. We can fix that. Anyway, that's it for now. I just want to show how to bind this. It's really simple. I can actually pull this bind plug out now. Shut her down. Shut her down. Pull the bind plug out. I don't normally do this with wires and stuff everywhere, but I was pretty excited to get this going. So let's turn it on again. And there's model. Steering. Let's see what that does. Turn it on, hopefully. All right, so just to show what's going on here, I want to make sure these are both at 0. There's our trim. One of our trims is here. Yeah, there we go. Wrong way though. Got the 0. There we go. I want to be able to pop my servo horn on. Yeah, I'm gonna try swapping my motor wires around and fix that issue there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Clickety click click, clickety click 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 click. So many wires. There we go.